The Big Five 2018 here in Dubai, and we're looking back at day 3. Wednesday saw the launch of the first Women in Construction seminar and awards, gathering a number of female leaders to discuss the challenges women face building careers in the construction sector. And this was followed by the awards for Next Generation Woman of the Year and Woman in Leadership. In the startup city, the pitches began in the Battle of the Startups, all fighting for that top prize of $25,000, judged by a panel of industry experts. The Urban and Landscaping Summit took place today with a focus on design, construction and maintenance of urban and green spaces, sports grounds and playgrounds. Within Big Five Heavy, a 2-day educational event, the Concrete Essentials Seminar Series began, along with the Innovation in Concrete Summit, looking at latest trends and techniques in concrete construction. There was also a focus look at the latest developments in mechanised tunnelling during the Tunnelling in Construction Summit from Fernando Molina Metzger. The international appeal of the Big Five Dubai was in evidence as always, both from the innovative products showcased from around the world to the truly diverse nations represented by exhibitors and visitors alike. There was also a very well attended How to Do Business in the UAE seminar hosted in association with Dubai South, looking at how to simply set up a business in the UAE and the benefits of its place as a strategic regional base. So that's us shutting the door on day 3. Another day for the Big Five Dubai is over and done. You get the latest on all our news and features, of course, across our social media channels and online at thebig5.ae.